I've uploaded a room photo to AI and felt overwhelmed by all the tools. You try one, then another, but the changes clash or the room looks worse. Today I'll show you how to make them work together seamlessly. Hi, I'm Sasha from HomeDesignsAI. Today we're tackling this compact UK style kitchen. It's functional but dated. Beige cabinets clash with orange walls, cluttered counters, mismatched tiles, and an old oven eating up space. The goal: transform it step by step into a modern, cohesive space without starting over. So here's the starting image, a real photo of a small corner kitchen. It has a solid base, clear view of the layout, cabinets, counters, backsplash and appliances. We see the exact issues: visual clutter and poor harmony, making it perfect for targeted AI fixes. We start with design critique to analyse objectively. It flags colour overload, cluttered surfaces and an inefficient oven. This guides every step, no guessing. Next, the furniture remover clears the clutter. Automatic selection identifies objects, so you just click to highlight and the AI will remove it. But sometimes the automatic selection might not identify everything. If that's the case, simply use the manual selection to select these with the paintbrush. It's removed most things, but you might have to go in again like I am, because depending on what you want to remove, the AI might replace objects with other smaller objects. So I'm going in again to clean it up. Let's go with this one. Now surfaces breathe and we have a clean base to work with. Next, let's change the backsplash. I'm using the Magic Redesign tool for this. Notice on the Magic Redesign tool, we have these different AI design actions. They just help the AI to understand the prompt better. So I'm selecting the redesign option. Using this prompt right here, we're going for an organic modern style backsplash. You can generate this a few times by slightly changing the prompt and it will give you different options. Next, I want to change the colour of the top half of the wall using the colours and textures tool. I'm using the automatic selection to select the wall, but because I only want to change the top half of the wall, I need to remove the masking from the tiles with the eraser option under manual selection. Now it will only make changes to the top half of the wall. Then choose the colour. Let's generate. Already looking so much better. Now let's replace the oven with the Magic Redesign tool. I'm using this prompt: replace oven with slim integrated model, and also replace the stovetop so it matches the oven in the design style organic modern. It integrates and adds it seamlessly. Now let's add a kitchen sink. So add a small modern sink under the window on the left kitchen countertop. Finally, let's add an organic modern pendant light fixture. I'm using fill spaces with this, just using the manual paintbrush to highlight where I want the AI to add the lighting. Choose the space type, design style. I'm using this prompt in additional instructions and choosing the level of AI intervention. Perfect, everything looks good like this, but let's say you want to see what else AI can do. You can use the Perfect Redesign tool to reimagine the whole space. But if you have a window scenery on show, then it might change it. So the best option would be to use the redesign option on Magic Redesign or virtual staging. This would just add a bit more to the design now that you have everything structurally in the correct place. I'm using this prompt, then you can just switch out the design style to try different ones. I test again organic modern, Scandinavian, Japandi and modern farmhouse. Because we're built layer by layer, every style lands perfectly. Here's the cluttered original and here's the transformed kitchen, airy, modern and unified. So the key lessons: AI modules shine when sequenced. So critique, remove, refine, enhance and reimagine. Isolated tools create chaos. Together they create perfection. If your AI redesign feels disjointed, don't add more tools. Layer them on one image instead. Upload yours at HomeDesignsAI and see what you can achieve. Thank you for watching and I hope this helped.